Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. For the exponential function g, the value of g of 3 is q, where q is a constant. Which of the following equivalent forms of the function g shows the value of q as a coefficient or the base? Okay, the question says the value of g of 3 is q. To get the value of q in the function g of x, we have to plug in 3 for x over here. Okay, now let's verify the given answer choices one by one. Okay, now let me consider answer choice A. Now, to get the value of q from the function g of x in answer choice A, I have to plug in 3 for x over here. Then I'm getting 27 times 1.2 raised to the power of 3 positive 3 is 6. Okay, here the base is 1.2, which is greater than 1, and it is raised to the power of a positive integer. Whenever a value greater than 1 is raised to the power of positive integer, its value will be greater than 1. When 27 is multiplied by a value greater than 1, so its result will be greater than 27. So the evaluation of this expression will be greater than 27. So the evaluation is not equal to either the coefficient 27 or the base 1.2. But our aim is to get the function g, which shows the value of q, that is g of 3, either as a coefficient or the base. But the function g of x in answer choice A does not show the value of q either as the coefficient or base. We can reject answer choice A. Now let's go to answer choice B. Let me plug in x equals to 3. Then we get 64 times 1.2 raised to the power of 3 negative 1 is 2. Okay, again, a value greater than 1 is raised to the power of positive integer 2. So its value will be greater than 1. When 64 is multiplied by a value greater than 1, its result will be greater than 64. Again, the value of q in the function g of x in answer choice B does not show the value of q either as a coefficient or base, because the evaluation of this expression will be greater than 64. So answer choice B is incorrect. And for the same reason, we can reject answer choice C as well, because when I take x equals to 3 over here, a value greater than 1 is raised to the power of a positive integer. Its value will be greater than 1 when it is multiplied by 1 and 72. So the value will be greater than 1 and 72. So here in this function g of x, we don't get the value of q either as coefficient or base. Okay, now let's consider answer choice D. Let me plug in x equals to 3 over here. Then I'm getting 1036 times 1.2 raised to the power of. When I plug in 3 for x over here, I'm getting 3 negative 3, that is 0. Any number raised to the power 0 equals to 1, then I'm getting 1036 times 1, that is equal to 1036. Okay, in the function g of x in answer choice D, I am getting q equals to 1036. And I find this value of q 1036 as a coefficient over here. So the function g of x in answer choice D shows the value of q as a coefficient over here. So the correct answer choice for this question is D.